When you ships it immediately, but you have to remain on Faith Street in order to receive the gift. And I was crying so hard that he just said, I didn't like hear a voice or nothing, but he spoke to me and however he said, if you get up, I'm gonna take you places you ain't never been. You can't. Nothing you want is gonna happen in your timing. It almost never does. I said, come on, God, man, I've been trying to make this dream come true. You done left me out here like this. See, when you ask God for something, he boxes it up and he ships it immediately. But you have to remain on Faith Street in order to receive the gift. And I was crying so hard that he just said, I didn't like hear a voice or nothing, but he spoke to me and however he said, if you get up, I'm gonna take you places you ain't never been. You can't move over on the I Doubted Boulevard. He don't ship packages to I Doubted Boulevard. He only shipped packages to Faith Street. Now I was finna quit. So I got in my car, I went to a payphone. He said, hey, Steve, this is Chuck Sutton with Showtime at the Apollo. We saw a tape of you. You're very funny. If you could get here Sunday night, we'd love to put you on television. Quit tripping. The road to success is always under construction. I got $35. How I'm gonna get to New York? I was determined. I was determined to be something. Before I hit the button, I heard, you have another message. I listened to the second message. It said, Steve Harvey, this is Tom Sobel from the Comedy Caravan. This was a Thursday. He said, I have a gig in Jacksonville, Florida on Friday night that pays $150. If you can get there Friday night, you'll make $150. Name one time God ever let you down. Name one situation he didn't bring you through. Everything you've ever gone through, God got you through it. You didn't even realize it. He just got you through it. So I drive to Jacksonville, Florida, and that night I made the 150. The club owner said, man, you funnier than the guy we hired. If you stay tomorrow night, I'm gonna give you another $150. So now I got $300 now. So everything you ask God for, it comes in a process. It's going to happen. Got to the Apollo. The Apollo, man, they went crazy. They lost their mind. I got a standing ovation, man. I used to always imagine myself in front of 10,000 people. Man, I'm one of the original kings of comedy, man. So you have to stay. You have to stay in the process and complete the fall. You're going to get cut up on the rocks. You're going to get your skin.
Yo, what's going on, family? Welcome to Coffee and Crypto, episode number 145. If y'all can do me a favor and go blast this out in the Discords, Telegrams, WhatsApps, and any other groups, text messages that you want to send out, please send this out. And let's go ahead and increase these numbers real quick. We have an extremely important show today. I have proof that XRP is the one. And we're going to drop it today, guys. We are super lucky to be a part of this evolution and this revolution of the world in our financial system. Welcome to the 145th episode. Stick around. Make sure you grab your coffee, your tea, and go ahead and drop this link aggressively. I need you guys to be aggressive. Let's drop this link aggressively in every single chat. And guys, I will be back with this bullish content. Welcome to Coffee and Crypto 145.
But I'm here. You know, I got through it. You're going to get through it. He's never too late. At your worst, look, man, it ain't over. It ain't over. Ain't no such a thing as over. As long as God wakes you up, that means he ain't through with you yet. And if he wakes you up, you got a shot to correct it and get it right. When they told me I had to be in New York, I saw no way I could get there. But that God don't. He make the phone ring. I end up in Florida, I make $300. Then I go to New York, I make $750. Almost got $1,000. He done got you past whatever it was. Whatever it was that's been on you, he done really brought you through it. You have to know that God got you some kind of way.
Yeah.
God is in your imagination. He ain't in your paycheck. Woo. He ain't in your current set of situations. God is in your imagination. I imagined at 10, I would be on TV. Now, I didn't get there until I was 38, but I got there. Do you know all the stuff you've imagined was really God just showing you a preview of a coming contraction he has for you?
Wow.
You've got to chase that dream before you die. You should go and live your dream. Just go see, because God equipped you the moment he gave birth to you. God equipped you at birth with what you need. He gave all of you a gift, all of you. Every last one of you, you're gifted. God made you with a gift that brought all of you are gifted people. God never created a soul without giving them a gift. All of you sitting in here were given a gift at birth. He put it inside you. You ain't got to look under the ocean. It ain't on a mountain. It ain't under no rocks. He put it in you at birth. He gave you a gift. It is the thing that you do the absolute best with the least amount of effort. That's your God-given gift. That's the thing you should pursue. But if I had listened to my mother, who was saved and a Christian and a Sunday school teacher, if I had listened to her, I wouldn't have quit my job. All my brothers, everybody told me, you can't go be no comedian. I left anyway. I won amateur night on October 8th, 1985, won $50. I went to work the next day, October 9th, 1985, quit my job. Everybody in my neighborhood called me a fool. I send planes, pick all of them up, take them to shows. If you're bold enough to chase the dream, he'll get you through the journey. You just can't quit in the middle of the journey because he know you're chasing dreams. God didn't make your dream come true business. That's real talk. I kid you not. You're looking at somebody living his dream, but God made it happen for him. That's real talk.
Yo, what's up, everybody? Good morning. Welcome to Coffee and Crypto, episode number 145. And I'm going to be real with you, right? I'm also in the make your dreams come true business. You know what I mean? Because, I'm a man of God. So I'm also in the make your dreams come true business. If you're ready for your dreams to come true, I'm going to be real with you, right? Some of us been waiting for 5-6 years for this moment. The moment we're going to talk about today, we have been waiting, anointed. We've been waiting 5 or 6 years for this moment. It is finally here. We have perpetual truth. You know, we got the real deal truth. Today's episode will be entitled The Real Deal Holyfield. XRP is the real deal Holyfield. And if you own it, congratulations. I would not recommend you come on this show any longer and not go buy yourself at least a few XRPs. Guys, this show is not for financial advice. I'm not here to give you all financial advice. This is entertainment purposes only, right? Please make sure that any information you get, you also review it with your financial advisor, right? And if you do not have a financial advisor, you can work with me, okay? But on this show, I do not offer financial advice. I'm giving you all just a perspective and a mindset as to what it is that we have to look forward to. Yo, shout out to the homegirl, Michael, who is on the line right now. Yo, I know I probably butchered her name. You know what I mean? Because I'm country. However, that's the homie. Yo, she be grinding, yo. I really love people that grind. Like I give flowers where flowers is due. And hey, look, the fact that you even hear Michael is crazy because we both be on the grind. So I appreciate you for tapping in real quick, plugging in. I know I sent you over the message, so I'm happy that you're here. Let me see, is there any other faces? Yo, what up, Monty? We got Monty in the building. Okay. Okay. We got Imani in the building. Okay. All right. Shout out to Miss Zuli in the building. Shout out to Cynthia in the building. Shout out to my lovely babe, Kiana in the building. Shout out to her. Shout out to Jannard Brooks in the building. Shout out to let's see who else in the building today. All right, Solo. Hey, I know Solo bullish right now, man. Hey, Solo bullish. My boy Zach. Hold on, wait. Zatrick in the building? Yo, Zatrick. It's been a minute. That's my bro. That's my little bro. That's my little bro on the line. Who else we got here? My brother Sion. We got real deal millionaires on the line. Like this is crazy. We got real deal multi-millionaires on the line that took time out their morning to be on this show. Welcome to the greatest show on earth. Coffee and Crypto, the greatest morning show. You will not have another crypto morning show like this, y'all. Look, we don't got nothing to be staged about. I don't got no endorsements yet. Everything that I'm giving y'all is straight out the heart. And I love each and every single one of y'all. What up, my boy Universal You in the building? Hey, yo, and check this out. Let me shout out Twitter, because we're live on Twitter right now. Shout out to all my Twitters, my Xers. All right. And then we also have we're live on YouTube. So shout out to the YouTube family. I just want to say I appreciate you all for taking the time. And look, if you see somebody that needs to be on this call and they're not on the call, send them the damn link. If they're not on the call, send them the damn link, because this is the final moments of cryptocurrency. Welcome to Coffee and Crypto. Now, the way that we're going to start today's show, because I'm feeling super energetic. I woke up this morning feeling like $1 billion. I woke up this morning really feeling like a billionaire. I really did, because I found this information. I've discovered this, and now I'm going to share it to you. And it is your season, and it is your time to feel like a billionaire. Now, before we even talk about this billionaire bullish content that we have to share today, I got one question for you all. Is there anybody on the call, Twitter, YouTube, or Zoom, that does not have any XRP? Just drop a me. Just be real now. Be real, because I got something following that, something special for you. I'm going to do something I ain't never done before. Is there anybody on the call right now that does not have XRP? Just drop a me in the chat box. I got something special for you. If you don't have XRP, drop a me. And I know who got XRP. I've been watching y'all. I know who's been on the show, so I'm going to be trying to lie. Mikhail. Woo! Let's go. Hey, the people I thought didn't have that. It's perfect, right? Check this out. I'm going to do something extremely special because my energy is up right now, right? Mikhail, Kiana, I want y'all to text me right now the words XRP. And I'm going to give you my XRP master. Only y'all two, because y'all the only two that said you didn't have it. So I'm going to give you my XRP masterclass for free. All right. Now this is $100 masterclass that is a recording. So I'm going to save you $100 on your journey. I'm going to give you the XRP masterclass for free. Okay. I'm going to do that for you all. So I appreciate you all for being on the show. You never know what you get for just showing up. You know what I mean? So I appreciate y'all. I just want to bless you. You know, I want to be a blessing, because I've been blessed and I just want to bless others. So you already know, just shoot me over a text real quick. Don't forget. And I'm going to make sure that you get set up with that XRP masterclass. And then what I'm going to also do is this: for anybody that wants my HBAR masterclass. Now, this is the one right here. The HBAR masterclass. I taught you guys how to stake HBAR. I've been earning free HBAR every single 24 hours. So I am blessed. So what I want to do for you all that did not, right? That may not have gotten the HBAR masterclass, what I'm going to do for you all is, before the end of the call, when we start the Q&A section, I'm going to give you all a special code. All right. I'm going to give you all a special code, and it's going to give you 50% off of my HBAR masterclass. I promise you, if you do not have the HBAR masterclass, if you do not have your HBAR staked on your Hashpack wallet, I promise you right now, you want to go and get that, because you're going to make way more than a measly, $50? Half off is $50. You'll make way more than a measly $50. So I'm just telling y'all, look, I just want to be a blessing today. I love y'all. Let's get to this bullish content. Stick around if you want the HBAR code at the end so that you too can take advantage of it. And Cynthia, I got you, sis. Don't worry about it. You're still on my mind. You're still on my heart. All right, I got you. Now that everything is here, everything is clear, let's get to this money. So the first thing we got to talk about, all right, and this is for the people that don't know who the Federal Reserve is. If you don't really understand the Federal Reserve, what their role is and what they did, I found a cartoon that's about almost 8 minutes long. And this crap right here really broke down the Federal Reserve for me last night as I was laying in the bed. And I was like, wow, backwards. I said, wow, backwards. I was like, wow. And then I ended up saying, wow, upside down. I was like, Mom. So I was like, wow, Mom. You know what I mean? So I'm going to play this for y'all real quick.
is allowed inside the Fed. Not you, not me, no American citizen, no newly elected member of our Congress, not the Supreme Court, not the Supreme Court, not the Supreme Court, not the Justice Department, not the CIA, DIA, FBI, ATM, NBC, not even GOD. How come the government isn't allowed inside its own building? Government? The Fed is a private bank owned by private stockholders. Do not let the name federal fool you. This place is about as federal as Federal Express. A private bank? Private? Was down.
This is Ethan, Federal Reserve.
Hey, Eth, Bill here, First National.
Hi there, Bill. How are you?
Good, good. We're running a little low on money.
No problem. How much you need?
Oh, how does 20 million sound?
Excellent. We'll ship it over first thing tomorrow.
Wait, he can just call up the Fed and ask for more money and they give him whatever they want?
Mm.
No, Pa. The Fed don't give the banks money. The Fed loans the banks money.
Mm.
The banks have to pay it back with interest. Come on, time to go. Wait. I still don't understand. Where does the Fed get their money? I mean, if they're a private bank. You said they're a private bank, right? Okay, so who puts money into the Fed bank?
This is Mel, United States Mint.
Hi, ML. First National needs another 20 millies.
We're already running the presses full steam here, Ethan.
Gotta keep making loans. Gotta keep the money flowing.
All right, you're the Fed. Whatever you guys say, 20 million more by morning.
I don't get it. What's so wrong about the Fed printing money? Because it's unconstitutional. Our treasury is supposed to create our money, but now the Fed controls the printing of America's money. Nobody gets a friggin' dollar that the Fed didn't print. So they print the money, then they loan it to the government, then they charge the government interest, then the government taxes you to pay for it. Wake up, Pa! Quickly, take my home. Show him. Wait, show me what? Where are we going? Liberty. Right. Wait, Battle of Waterloo. Hold on, we gotta get through. Of the Battle of the Red Sea. They finance both sides of the war. We must hurry. That's him, the Red Ship Courier. Shoot him. No, I'm not shooting anyone. Damn it, Hot. What? He beat everyone back with the news of the war, like how England and Napoleon won. The Red Shield backers in London pretended that England was doomed and started selling their English stocks. The English went into a selling frenzy to get rid of worthless English money. But the English won, right? Of course they won. But it was a trick by Red Shield. They waited until the stocks plummeted to pennies and then bought England back for nearly nothing. What? They did that? How? When the English leaders found out, they had no choice but to give themselves over to the Red Shield. Their money was gone and they were slaves to the Red Shield war debt. Since that time.
All right, y'all. So just getting for real now, right? We got to get serious, man. History repeats itself. And we are entering probably what's called World War III. I believe that that's what we're entering right now, right? And all of this is going to happen. All of this, there's about to be a global, every time there's a war, there's a global reset to our financial system. Something different transpires. This will be the shift. I won't say the final shift, but this will be the final shift of our lifetime. We won't see any other shift. This will be the final shift. If you did not get XRP, if you did not get some other digital assets, right? I'm not going to list and name them, okay? But if you did not go and get those, do you understand that you've positioned yourself to be a part of the new poor class, right? Not the wealthy and the rich. You did not position yourself to be a part of the new 2, 3, 4, 5%, but you position yourself to be a part of the 95%. Listen to this, learn from the past, and take advantage of it and make sure that you and your family are set up for appropriateness for the future. Let's get this money.
We should be paying the national taxes directly to the Red Shield private bankers. The people have no idea. But the bankers bragged about what they did to us, laughing at us all the way to the bank.
Why, it's the best business I've ever done. If I can control a nation's wealth, I cannot makes its laws.
Oh, is this what Jefferson wanted to show me? No. Ugh. They're in America too? The Red Shield banks are here, Potter. Seeking a way to conquer our American dream. The dream you have, Potter. The dream of amen. They tried to take over our country many times and failed because Jefferson and the Patriots vowed to stop the evil tyrants at all costs. By authority of eternal God, he would not let the bankers win. To preserve our independence, we must not let our rulers load us with perpetual debt. We must make our choice between economy and liberty or profusion and servitude. Wow. I place economy among the first and most important of Republican virtues, and public debt is the greatest of the dangers to be feared. It is incumbent on every generation to pay its own debts as it goes. In 1910, a secret meeting was held at the J.P. Morgan estate on Jekyll Island off the coast of Georgia. This meeting was so secret, so concealed from government and public knowledge that the 10 attendees used code names.
I am clearly the richest man, so I should be the one to run the super secret central bank. I own all the oil in America. I'm clearly richer than you will ever be, hula girl. I should run the super secret central bank. You're nothing compared to me, lube job. I shall run the secret bank. Ringmaster Leader, I didn't know you were going to be here.
I'm not. Neither are you, dumbass.
Right. He's so smart.
None of you shall run the bank. We have failed in the past because of openness. Besides, the key to success is secrecy. The people must believe that they run the bank.
Yes, brilliant. A sneak attack. What's the plan?
We first create panic. Then we show them the solution. With our man in office and well-planned timing, we will have our central bank. And so the people think it is theirs. We shall christen it Federal. The Federal Reserve. December 23rd, 1913. When most of our Congress were at home eating fruitcake, these bastards, bankers,
Wait. I'm gonna rewind this just a little bit for y'all, man. I need y'all to go drop this link inside the groups. Let's get some more people on here. Check this out, y'all. Check this out. Listen to what they just said and listen to the date and then listen to the date. Just listen to the date real quick.
Federal Reserve. December 23rd, 1913. When most of our Congress were at home eating fruitcake, these bastards, bankers, presented their treasonous act to their newly elected accomplice, Woodrow Wilson, who had fortuitously already agreed to sign it before he was even elected. Wait, the IRS? I thought we always had the IRS. No, pal. They did this to us too. The Fed now has the exclusive power to print America's money. They loan this money to our banks and our government at interest, putting immediate debt on our own money to print more and more. So each dollar they print becomes worth less than the one before. Merry Christmas. The hell is that? That is how our government now must pay back these debts to the Fed. Your taxes did not go to your government. They don't? It's the greatest theft in human history.
Wow. Wow. December 23rd, 1913. Does that year strike anybody as a that year gives me chills, y'all. That's That's about 100 years ago. That's 100. That's 110. That's 110 years ago. I don't know. Maybe it's just a coincidence that everything is changing. Maybe it's just a coincidence that ISO 20022 takes appointment on November in November, on November like 19th, right? On Noit's birthday. You know, it's a reason for all of this, because by December of this year, by Christmas, when all of Congress is at home eating fruitcake, there will be something that will happen. I'm about to show you what's going to happen. Watch this right now. Listen, I tried to tell the world, stop sleeping. I tried to tell the world, stop sleeping on your boy. But now I got to go ballistic, because we got a lot of lives to save. I got to get this information out here, y'all, in any way, in any capacity I can. I have a goal to impact, enrich, and educate the lives of 1 million people by the year 2025. And we are well on our way. Let's get this money. First thing I want to show you all when it comes to this is this interview with Cathie Woods on CNBC and the hopes of the rise of the Bitcoin ETF. Now, here's the thing. Every other influencer on every other show that I've watched, they only showed a minute clip. I want it to be a little different, and I want y'all to get the full exposure. So I'm gonna play more than a minute clip. I'm gonna play until I feel like we don't need to play it no more. And then we're gonna move on, and I'm gonna show you all how Europe is moving toward this, how the US is moving toward this, how Coinbase has just created their perpetual XRP futures, which is huge news. And y'all, this right here is like the bat symbol. Like that symbol behind me, if you know what that is, it's time. Listen to what Cathie Woods had to say.
And making that long-awaited ETF a lot more likely. We're very close right now. Joining us now, someone's very much got a dog in that fight. ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood. Cathie, you're one of 9 applicants for a spot Bitcoin ETF. It looks like the SEC is going to be forced to approve a spot Bitcoin ETF. What, if any, communications have you had with the SEC about your application? Where are we in this whole thing?
Well, it was publicized and disclosed. I think it was last week that we had responded to the SEC's request for information around our Bitcoin filing, and we responded. And that's basically all we can say. I think many people think the fact that the SEC chose to ask questions is a change in behavior. And therefore, I do think hopes are rising that a number of Bitcoin ETFs will be approved.
Yeah, my understanding is the court now is going to issue a mandate about how to enforce their decision here to the SEC, and their SEC is going to basically follow that mandate. Everybody is assuming at this point that they'll probably approve most of the Bitcoin ETFs by the end of the year. That's a reasonable assumption at this point? They lost the court case. They chose not to appeal it at this point.
Right. And I do believe maybe the reason they're saying by the end of the year, early next year, I know our final deadline on this filing is January 10th. And so, and I think we're first in line. But as you say,
Whoa. Yo, the numbers is messing with me today, y'all. I don't know what's going on, but the numbers is getting to me. She said January 10th, and we just talked about 110. We're 110 years past the date that in 1913. Come on.
a number of Bitcoin ETFs could be approved at the same time.
Now, your flagship ARK Innovation Fund's up 20% this year. You're outperforming the S&P, but you've had significant outflows this year. Can you talk about that? You know, you're outperforming, and yet you're having outflows. Tell us a little bit about what impact, for example, higher rates are having on your holdings this year. That seems to be a major issue.
Well, I think there are a couple of things going on. If you'll remember, in late 20 and early 21, the flows were enormous into our funds, and I was uncomfortable at the time because we thought there was a lot of momentum chasing going on, and we said at that time, keep some powder dry. Little did we know how big the correction would be. This is sort of the flip side of that. We're feeling much more comfortable right now, but we did have through July a very significant rally. I do think there's been some profit taking there. And I do think, as you say, interest rates, rising rates have concerned a lot of people. There's been a shift into cash, and we've seen very recently a shift into bonds. And interestingly, the flows into bonds would suggest that we should not be far behind, because if bonds are going to rally, and we think they will at some point here, as inflation continues to come down, as the economy continues to go through rolling recessions of sorts, we think that the backdrop will be right for a resurgence in growth stocks generally, and in particular, long duration innovation growth assets like ours.
My colleague Scott's got a question here. Scott?
Hi, Kathy. Great to have you back on the halftime report. So given what you just said, do you not believe in higher for longer?
I don't, and we don't, I should say. If we're paying attention to company earnings, and some of these are company.
All right, let me explain to y'all some things that's going on right now, okay? Because sometimes, when you're new to the show and you're learning, like when you're learning some things, guys, right? I want to explain to you all kind of, so we make sure everybody is, on the same track. Okay. Now, there is a new bill that is being passed at Congress right now that will stop senators, presidents, Congress people, and all people within this space from investing into the stock market, meaning they will all have to sell their stocks. If you all pay attention, let me go back a little bit to where, okay, so for instance, y'all, if y'all pay attention, this is the ARK Innovation ETF from Kathy Wood's company. They are up, right? They're up above, like they're above the last all-time high, okay? If you go and look at most ETFs, if you go and look at a lot of the stuff, a lot of these things are up. And understanding that because the market is up, because the ETF market is up, right? What we'll see is a catastrophic event where at the top, right? Because we're reaching the top, there's going to be some type of black swan event. And I believe that the beginning of it will be this Senate bill being passed to stop the elites of America, right? The politicians and everybody from being able to invest into the stock market. They will sell all of their stocks at the top, and this will be their reason. This will be their reason for getting out of the market. And if all of these people who have been invested in stocks for years, way longer than us, dumps their stocks, there goes the stock market. There goes your investments. But then rises the Bitcoin ETF, the Ethereum ETF, the XRP ETF. They haven't even started talking about the XRP ETF, but we know it's coming. What up, Crypto Shane? Let's get this money. Now, I'm gonna stop there. And one thing I want y'all to notice is this before we move forward. Pay attention to this list. Pay attention to what they invest in. Pay attention to what they do, not what they say they do. Tesla's number one in her investment portfolio. Coinbase is number two. 8.1% of their investment portfolio is made up with Coinbase. Okay, the 8.1% of this ETF is made up of Coinbase. Understand that this is huge. We are on the verge of something extremely big, and we're going to continue to talk about it. Now, We talked about Kathy Woods. Now let's talk about another billionaire. See, Kathy Woods and Mike Novogratz, Earn Your Leisure, had them at InvestFest this year, right? It's something I noticed about InvestFest this year when it came to crypto was they didn't have me there this year. They didn't have the people that I spoke with in 2022 on stage this year, but they only had billionaires on stage this year. Everything happens for a reason. Pay attention to what they say or what they do, not just what they say.
This report, let's start with all of the excitement / hype / I don't know what about the fact that not just BlackRock, but Fidelity and so many others have attempted at least or have applications in to try to get a Bitcoin ETF going. And the question is whether just because they're asking, is it going to be approved?
Yeah, it's going to get approved. We actually think, we're partnered with Invesco on an application. We think it happens this year in 2023. All the indications of dealing seem to be heading in the right direction.
Let's go.
From what's Mike though? Because I don't want people to, Mike, people are going to say he's talking his book. He owns a lot of Bitcoin. He wants this to happen, obviously. What would you pinpoint and specifically suggest that you're seeing around the approval process that is somehow different today than it was a year ago, than it was 2 or 3 years ago?
The most significant piece was the SEC lost in court, right? The judge has said, "What are you talking about, SEC? You have a futures ETF, and you're saying you can't have a cash ETF. That makes intellectually zero sense." And I think that put the SEC on the back foot. And I think Gensler needs a win. There's a tremendous amount of pressure to do something that is rational. The American public wants this. BlackRock, who's the largest asset manager in the world, is out publicly saying we're going to get this done. And it's, I can't talk specific about conversations our guys are having, and that's on the Invesco side. But
because we not in these rooms, so we really don't know the conversations. We just got to take the little breadcrumbs, like they just dropping little breadcrumbs here and there. I'm gonna pick them up and eat them. I ain't gonna lie to you. Hey, look, I don't mind your seconds, because your seconds is gonna give me a second chance at life. Let's get it.
Talking to all the other people, it just feels like the dialogue with the SEC is all heading in the right direction.
But when you say the dialogue with the SEC, have you seen a fundamental shift in the way the SEC, anecdotally, I imagine would have to be the only way you'd know this, has changed the approach to thinking about this in light of that lawsuit, which is to say, Lena Khan has lost lawsuits before, in her agency at the FTC. That hasn't shifted the way she thinks about antitrust regulation in the United States.
Yeah, just the public filings back and forth and the comments that you're reading online, the people's comments are much more constructive. And when you go to the comment period, what they're asking about all seems much more specific than general. And that seems to be a good sign. We'll see. I don't have a crystal ball. This is my intuition.
Right. By the way, do you have any thought on what happened during this week and how that report came about? I know that organization is planning to investigate how the report was written, but there's some people that are anxious or worried that there's manipulation at play.
The last day for the SEC to file an appeal on that suit came and went. And so there was some expectation or excitement. And, Cointelegraph, I believe, put out an errant report. We were sitting on our desk thinking, I don't think Cointelegraph is going to be the person who breaks, this story. I think the SEC probably has other sources if they want to break a story. And so I was a little skeptical myself. What it does tell you is the market will head higher on any positive news, right? You're going to have Invesco's sales force, BlackRock sales force, Kathy Wood's sales force, Fidelity sales force, all out selling Bitcoin.
All right. You can also have coffee and crypto sales force, you know what I mean? And the crypto nerds sales force out selling these assets. I'm just saying, we are the future, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm so excited. These people are older than me. You know what I mean? They've been doing this for a long time. And I'm in the age where they first got started. You know what I mean? And now I can officially say I can spend 20 years, 30 years doing this and say, I've been doing this for a long time. And then y'all see my face on CNBC. Hello, you feel me? Now let's go over to the SEC's Twitter. Okay, a message from all of us at the SEC to Chair Gary Gensler. We're sorry that you're not at the beach with your twin brother today, but please share our best birthday wishes to Rob.
Have told his twin brother to take the day off.
Before I go to Commissioner Crenshaw, I want to say that my twin brother is happily going to the beach today, but he's happy for me also because he knows I love the job. And so he would say, keep at it, Gary, and do what you want to do on your birthday.
Happy birthday to you and your twin. I will not ask which one came out first, but both of you, I definitely made your marks in the profession.
My baby brother is doing fine today.
I bet he is.
Thank you, Chair Gensler, and best wishes to you on your birthday and your brother's birthday today.
And I want to wish Rob Gensler a happy birthday. Just a little thought there.
Now, all right, Gary Gensler is celebrating another birthday. Okay, now he's feeling good, right? He was feeling good. Okay, Gary was feeling good. All right. He even tweeted out and said, thank you, everyone. Rob really appreciates all the birthday wishes. All right, but check this out, though. This is the bullishness that we needed from Gary. Pay attention to this interview that just happened on Capitol Hill.
Else that happened last week, or rather didn't happen, was the SEC acting to appeal a court ruling from August in the Grayscale case. Grayscale, of course, trying to convert GBTC into a spot ETF. I know you can't comment on ongoing litigation, but should we still be considering that ongoing litigation given that lack of appeal at this point? And if not, what happens next?
Wait, didn't you just say that you knew I wasn't going to comment on the litigation? But let me just say.
But is it still ongoing since you didn't appeal?
We didn't appeal last Friday. I think that's accurate.
So you could still in the future in another form.
But what we have in front of us, just so that the viewing public understands, we have not one, but multiple, I think it's 8 or 10 filings that the staff and ultimately the commission is considering for what's called exchange traded products, for Bitcoin to be in a security. So the Bitcoin would be held, and then there'd be something called an exchange traded product, and that would trade on various stock exchanges. And those filings are in front of us. I can't prejudge any one of them, but there's 8 or 10 that we're looking at.
Well, there is a large number, and there is kind of a narrative in this market, and I wonder if you could put it to rest that someone's going to get to go first. Is that likely to happen, or is it likely to be a group approval? If you're going to have one, a bunch of products could be approved at the same time.
Again, I'm not going to prejudge. The staff's doing work on those multiple filings, but it's also about those companies are issuers. See, when a company is actually, or an asset manager is seeking to take something public, these exchange traded products need to register with the SEC, and they go through a filing somewhat similar to going public, like an IPO. And so it's really the work of our division of corporation finance that gives feedback. Our division of trading and markets, of course, looks at the filings of the exchange.
All right, y'all. So, okay, these cryptocurrencies will be, okay, we heard Kathy Woods. Okay, we already listened to her. We've listened to Mike, and then we listened to Gary. I wanted to take you all through a journey, okay, because it's important. Each one of these steps are important steps toward our wealth. Now, let's get outside of the United States. Shout out to Michael Branch on the call. Appreciate you, big homie, big bro, for being here. You never know who will stop in on this show. Okay, I definitely appreciate having one of the I call him one of the supreme leaders of the XRP army. You know what I mean? Like I truly believe that. Okay, now check this out, y'all. Okay. Michael Branch dropped this. I saw him drop this, and then I went and did further research, dug a little further, and we saw that on the Digital Pound Foundation's actual Twitter, they said, in an announcement made today, the European Central Bank disclosed its decision to transition into the next stage of the digital euro project. marking the commencement of the preparation phase. Did y'all hear that? Cha-ching? Did y'all hear that money? I don't know if y'all heard the money. I heard something go cha-ching. Like all I heard was cha-ching. Like, that's what I heard. You feel me? So now we are in the preparation phase. They are preparing. It is time. I hope y'all got your damn bags packed because it is time. This is on their website. Okay. They're gearing up. This came out October 18th. This came out yesterday. This is hot coffee right here, right? This development comes on the heels of an extensive investigation phase that began in October of 2021. Something special about the month of October. Outside of a king being born. All right. Now, the primary objective was to deliberate on potential designs and distribution mechanisms for the digital currency. A newly unveiled report offers insight into the ECB's vision, a digital euro that's as ubiquitous as physical cash, facilitated through regulated intermediaries like banks. November 1st, oh my Lord. Oh, I ain't even read this far, y'all. I got nervous just seeing November 1st. November 1st, we'll see the inauguration of this new phase, which is set to span 2 years. Y'all, by October, remember when I told y'all that I will have created 10 millionaires, and that's my focus. It may be more, but I'm focused on helping 10 millionaires by 2025. I know we're going to have millions, but I'm focused on 10. There's 10 I'm going to have on my private jet. I don't know if you're going to be one of the 10, but I would like for 10 people to be on that private jet with me as we take off in November 1st of 2025, when ISO 20022 is completely connected. We have complete global regulation for cryptocurrency adoption, and we have trillions of dollars of asset money rolling into this asset class because it is the future. November 1st, we will see the inauguration of this new phase, which is set to span 2 years. Its agenda includes refining the digital euros guidelines, selecting potential providers for platform development, Hello, Ripple. And extensive testing to ensure the digital currency aligns with both the Euro system standards and user expectations. Now, who are those providers for platform development? I'm happy you asked me. I'm happy you asked me. Watch this right here. Watch this right here. Watch this right here. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. I got you. I got your back. If it's one thing I got your back. I'm about to show y'all something. Hold on. This ain't the official website. Let's go to the official website. The digital euro website. Y'all give me 2 seconds here. All right, that might have been the website. Y'all give me 2 seconds. Let me find what I wanted to show y'all, because this was actually something that just kind of came in my mind. You know, like I'm one of those people where when it pop in my mind, I got to show you, you know, I got to walk it like I talk it. All right, give me 2 seconds, y'all. I'm about to find this. I need us to see this together, y'all. I need us to see this. And if I can't find it, I'm gonna show y'all a different way. Y'all give me 2 seconds. Y'all give me 2 seconds. Hold on. No. About, let's see here. Y'all with me right now? Are we lit or what? We lit or what right now, y'all? Are we lit? We look, because at this point, we got none but time, right? We got none but time at this point, y'all. Like we just waiting on our wealth. So truthfully, we don't got to rush ourselves, right? But watch this right here. Digital Euro project and Ripple. That probably is a better, okay? That's probably a better way for me to do it. Here it is. Digital Euro Association. That's what I was looking for. I was on the wrong website, y'all. Look at this right here, y'all. This is on their website. The Digital Euro Association is delighted, and this was in 2022, February 11th, delighted to announce its partnership with Ripple as a supporting partner to jointly work on central bank digital currencies. That's why I hear in my head, I was like, that Bruno Mars. This year, that song's cold, that brown love, that white gold. This song, a good girl, that this girl, sweet nasty, smiling, wildin', living it up to the city. Got your nose on don't. He said, I'm too so much, I'm too pretty, I'm too hot. Goddamn. You know what I mean? Somebody put goddamn. Somebody put damn in the chat box. Lonely in the fire, man. I'm too hot. Goddamn. And the stormy in the fire, and then I'm too hot. Goddamn. That's how I'm feeling right now, y'all. I'm feeling like goddamn. Woo! Woo! Hey, I ain't lying, man. I can't make this stuff up. I can't even sit still, y'all. We rich. Like today, I'm gonna walk out this damn office today like a billionaire. But I'm walk out, my chest's gonna be up. I'm probably gonna go. I'm going to a 5-star restaurant this weekend. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to Six Flags and a 5-star restaurant. That's the type of energy I'm on right now. And if you're not on the same energy, appreciate it, Craw Billy. If you're not on the same energy, then I don't know what you got going on. Mom said she going with me. Pull up. Let's get it. My mom coming too. Who else coming with me to Six Flags this weekend? I want to invite all my rich friends. If you in Atlanta, who coming with me? Who coming with me? Let's do it. Let's do it. Look, like let's do it. Let's do it. I might pull out my XRP card and swipe. I might pull out my debit card and swipe today. This might be my first time ever spending XRP. I might just do it. My boy got a pass. Hold on now. Hold on. Brandon, you got a pass? My boy got a pass. All right. Hey, I'm gonna text you, Brandon. I'm gonna text you, bro. Hey, I might text you, bro. You the plug. He the plug. All right. But let's finish up this show. Introducing Coinbase Advanced Perpetual Futures. They are now available. Coinbase said, let's go. So if Coinbase said, let's go, guess what I say? I say, let go. So let's go to their website and see what they got going on. Explore the possibilities of perpetual futures on the most trusted crypto exchange, now available to qualified traders in select non-US jurisdictions. Okay. You want to check your eligibility, put in your email address. Now, take your money further. Open positions with less upfront capital. Contracts initially offer up to 5 times the leverage. Unlock new trading strategies, more flexibility, less friction, seamless integration. Let's go down. Okay. If you all want to start trading futures, crypto futures, guess what, y'all? There's only 4 that are available. I want y'all to understand something. XRP just became the only digital asset in the United States with regulatory clarity. Bitcoin does not have regulatory clarity. However, it's getting the free pass. Ethereum does not have regulatory clarity. However, the CFTC has made it a commodity so far. Okay, they've said that Ethereum is a commodity. Okay, I don't know how Litecoin got up here, but the one that I want to tell y'all about is this one right here, XRP. Another bag just opened up for us to make, Anointed. I don't know how to trade futures, but I'm about to dive into it and I'm about to learn. I'm about to learn how to trade XRP futures. Okay, because we can't leave that bag on the table. I mean, we make the money on MetaTrader, right? We make it as a team on MetaTrader with the nerds, right? We're making it with our long-term bag and vision. Okay, and if we know how to read the charts, why the hell we can't do perpetual futures trading also? I'm just wondering. So let's go and listen to what Linda P. Jones has to say. She says this, okay? Linda P. Jones is a very, very, very smart woman. Okay. And I want y'all to hear the 3 things that she had to say. Coinbase approving perpetual futures contracts for trading XRP means. Okay. Number 1, XRP is very bullish. If XRP's price was not going to fluctuate or change a lot, no one would be interested in trading it. Futures contracts allow for maximum leverage and can lead to outsized profits or losses. Number 2, Wall Street firms, mostly hedge funds, are the firms who trade future contracts. This is about institutional money coming into the trading ecosystem. It is not about retail investors. This is bullish for XRP because it means the large wave of institutional money is close to coming in and they want to trade on the volatility. Number 3, the fact that Coinbase is secretive about the countries approved to trade these contracts means it may be Bermuda, the Cayman Islands, etc., which are the jurisdictions for hedge funds and other offshore funds. Why the secret? Because the truth is too telling. Hold on, wait. Michael Branch said he talked to her before. Mr. Branch, are you available to just come up? You don't have to share everything, but could you share something from Linda? I think we need to hear it as a community, and the people that's going to hear this, they need to hear from you, Mr. Branch. Just want to let you know we love you. I don't know if you're in a position to be able to speak. I did ask you to unmute, but could you maybe let us know, if you can, about that conversation with Linda P. Jones and how that went, sir? Good morning.
Yeah. Good morning. I don't know if you can hear me because I'm in Cracker Barrel this morning.
Are you at Cracker Barrel? Ooh, I can't wait to Cracker Barrel with you, Mr. Branch. I'm coming.
I had a question. I can't remember exactly what I'd asked her, but I had reached out to her to ask her opinion on something that I didn't really understand. And so she asked me, she said, well, why do you want my opinion? And I said, well, I'm sure you've forgotten more than I know, number 1. Number 2, I value your opinion because of your background. So we went back and forth on whatever my questions were. She answered them 100%, thanked me for reaching out to her. And I was shocked because I didn't think I'd get a reply. I mean, I'm just a guy on Twitter that, gathers information. So she was very friendly, very upfront, told me that if she could help me, in the future, just don't hesitate to contact her. So I was like, wow. I mean, wow.
Wow. Well, I appreciate you for coming up and just sharing, even though I know you're having some breakfast this morning, but we appreciate you. We love you. We are praying for your family. And I want to say thank you to everybody who, has gotten on the call today. I know that, hey, I just love y'all, man. And I love doing what it is that I do. I love sharing this good news. I love sharing this value with you all, right? I have so much stuff to share. Like, honestly, look, we going right now. What I'd like to do is I'd like to take some hands. Is there anybody that would like to share one thing you like, learned, or loved about today's call? Hey, before y'all go anywhere, some of y'all be so quick to click off. Y'all about to miss your damn blessing. Some people about to miss their damn blessing. They be so quick. Nigga be like, 1, 2, 3, put. That's how niggas be like, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. My bad. I got a little too excited. My bad. I'm sorry, y'all. My bad. Lord Jesus. My bad, Lord. Somebody pray for me, please. Like I'm out of control. I'm out of control, y'all. Like I really am. I'm out of control. I'm really out of control, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm embarrassed. I really am. I can't lie. I'm embarrassed. I ain't that embarrassed, but I'm embarrassed, y'all. I'm 100% embarrassed, y'all. You know what I mean? So, hey, but I love y'all though. You know what I mean? Hey, I'm just being myself. All I can do is be me. All I can do is be myself. You know what I mean? And I hope that y'all, you'll accept me for me, But with that being said, y'all, if there's anybody that has one thing you like, learn to love, man, raise those hands up. I'm going to call on my brother, Zatrick, real quick. I appreciate y'all for sticking with me. I know I'm a little wild, but hey, we getting there, y'all. I'm a work in progress. Zatrick, Let's get this money.
Yo. What's up?
Yo,
How y'all doing today, everybody?
doing amazing, bro. How you feeling, man?
I'm doing great. I had got a new phone. So really, I was watching all the videos on YouTube and I was like, how come I'm not getting a notification? And I was like, wait, Telegram. So, I'm back. I'm back on the in the Zoom chat. But one thing that I loved was how you like pointed out these numbers, how you went to 110 years. And then like what I tried to do was I tried to like see when Bitcoin was created, but it didn't add up to 110. But then you mentioned how it was like they said January 1st was like, I mean, not January 1st, January 10th. And I was like, dang, bro, these numbers are starting to add up and stuff. And history does tend to repeat itself. So I just want to say I appreciate what you're doing. For you guys that have been watching a long time, one thing that my boy did was he had noticed how before Coinbase, the whole lawsuit ended, Coinbase was like, when it came to XRP, it was like it's not listed yet or not supported yet, versus like other things that like we're not supporting. And then as time went on, XRP won and Coinbase listed XRP again. So I definitely appreciate all your hard work that you're doing. You definitely know what you're talking about and stuff. And I definitely got my XRP. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here waiting. You know what I'm saying? I'm watching it with my girl and stuff. So she finna join the whole XRP army too. So we out here. I appreciate everything you're doing. And keep up the great energy, man. Don't get carried away with the people that be trying to leave quick with the hut 1-2-1-2 at the end of it. You know what I'm saying? You're doing a great job, bro.
The hut 1-2-1-2.
The hut 1-2, man. You know what I'm saying?
I appreciate this, Patrick. Love you, little bro.
Love you, man. Peace.
Hey, before I call on anybody else, look, I know we kind of get into the last 2 minutes. I know people here for an hour. So look, if you want this HBAR masterclass, y'all, 50% off. I just dropped the link for you. All you got to do, you don't even got a lot of time. You got literally until 11:56 p.m. to make up your mind whether you want to spend it a little $50 or not. All right, to get this value. I promise you I'm going to change your damn life. All right, I promise you I'm going to help you stake HBAR. I promise you I broke down HBAR so crazy. You've never met nobody that broke down HBAR the way I broke it down. I'm the GOAT. I'm that guy. You should go and grab it. The code is coffee. When you click on the link, all you got to do at checkout is put coffee, and then you'll get 50% off of my HBAR masterclass. After today, it's still $100. You can get it for $50. I'm giving 2 people away my XRP masterclass. I'm giving it to Mikhail and to, who else was it? I'm giving it to Mikhail and Key. All right, so Kiana and Mikhail will have access to both of to the XRP masterclass for free. And then to everybody else, I want to give you 50% off on the HBAR masterclass. Literally 11, I already set the timer at 11:56. Some of y'all slipped by because I was turned up at homecoming. Some of y'all still got the $31 on the on the boot camp. I watched the ones who came through. Y'all took advantage of me, but I set the timer on this next one. So it ends at 11:56 p.m. So with that being said, I love y'all. Let me go ahead and call on my brother Matthew real quick, then Craw Billy, and then anybody else, and then we're going to get up out of here. Matthew, what it do?
What's going on, man? How's everybody doing?
Man, doing amazing, bro. I see the work you doing too, bro.
Appreciate you, man. I just wanted to tap in. I feel like, be caught up in life, and I just wanted to show gratitude. I try to catch these calls when I can, but it's every time, man, it's just gems, and it's crazy because when you see these articles and you can, words don't have to be said to know what's going on, and you're putting in a lot of work, man. This is life, man, and this is going to amount to something. I ask myself every day, we're in this space, we're trying to trade, we're trying to get educated and all these things. I ask myself, what is it going to take to become the thing that I see? And I feel like what you're doing is what it takes to become what you want to be. I know that you're doing everything that you've always wanted to do. And, I just wanted to be grateful. I want to get on the call and say that I'm so grateful to be able to have these calls and be able to come here and see this information because, sometimes I'm not going to lie, I don't have the time to look it up, but being able to get on these calls and be able to hear that and know it and reaffirm the things that I feel like we've been looking at for these years. And, when I have conversations with other people and they talk to me about what they know and what they don't know, and it's just crazy because the other day I had somebody tell me that XRP is toast, and I just sat there and like, I'm not gonna utter this confusion. Like I was like, dude, you clearly have not done any research, like none. And you know, it's just when I get on these calls, it's like I can just ignore what he said. You know, at the end of the day, and it's no offense to anybody. I feel like there's people that put in the work, and that people that don't, and people that understand, and people that don't, and it's okay. But I feel like I'm very grateful to be in here and understand and be able to see the image and the painting that we're painting and that you're painting. You know, and it's just amazing. And just keep going, dude. Like, just keep going. Like, I know you're not gonna stop, but just keep going. I just appreciate you, man. You have a good day, and everybody else too. Let's get it.
Hey, I want to also piggyback on that toast, because check this out, right? What I tell that person, because I'm a smart aleck. So what I tell that person is this, right? With it being toast, right? With it being toast, I tell them, look, XRP is toast, right? I say XRP is toast, but you want to know also what it is? It's the foundation, and now we just spreading the butter. Tell them we spreading the butter on the toast. We spreading the jelly on the toast. So XRP is toast, but we finna eat it up. You feel me? So with that being said, I appreciate you, bro. Thank you so much for the love. Good morning, bro. Good morning. Next step is Craw Billy. Come on up, man.
Yeah, toast is bread, man. Just tell it toast is bread. How you like your bread? Thick?
I like my bread. I like my bread thick.
Thick. That's it. Coffee and crypto. You must have had coffee this morning. This is the only show that you can pray and apologize on the same hour. You know,
my brain's still trying to function right now, Billy. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you got a tough gig here. You and Noy, you both got your moms on the call at time to time, you know, and when you get off the call, I know she just, you know, goes off. Hey, look, you know, us XRPers, we're out, you know. I found myself, this is my last day at 61, and I see myself getting in the car, and I put my seatbelt on, and I'm driving real slow, and I'm away from the traffic, and I'm not going downtown, and I'm not eating the wrong stuff, and I'm trying to wait, because I'm waiting on this thing, you know. I want to see it happen to me and us and our little relationship.
Yeah.
I pop in at the, you know, I slept late, okay? So I wake up, I say, oh, it's 9:20, I got to get on the call, pop on the call, and then I take 5 screenshots, and then and I learned 3 things I didn't know, and then boom, boom, y'all. But I mean, I just caught a little tail end that I had to go back and catch the YouTube, but it's just like I've learned something in that little bit of space. And you know, that H-bar thing, I'm going to tell you what that dude is, sheesh. That thing is on something. I mean, it's on marijuana or something. That H-bar, that sucker is it's gonna be, you know, when they say my cuticles was dilated, that's what H-bar, man. Their cuticles are dilated. And the eyes are rolling back in the back of their head. They got it's so crazy. And just before you got off that last little bit, you scroll over the other guy. I can't think of his name. Maybe Michael, that lost his YouTube page about 2 months ago. No, no. Hey, I did put a new ticker up there, XRP/Mr. Branch at Crawbilly. We need to start. I mean, not Crawbilly, Cracker Barrel. XRP/Cracker Barrel from Mr. Branch. We need to make him a new ticker. I know he's invested in Cracker Barrel, but look. That other guy, Michael, he interviewed a guy named Robert. I don't know his last name, and he talked about he simplified blockchain, and you may have shown it in the first of the show. I saw it on your slide as you were exiting today, but he was talking about, you know, simplification, how to tell. I mean, even understand it myself, but tell others. But they were breaking down the proof. I mean, it's so crazy. I mean, I told my wife, how did we find this? I was wanting to trade a tick I was wanting to learn about a trade. I reached out to a girl. I really didn't get much help. I found Driven. I did that free month and I recorded everything and I went over and over and over. And then I found Noit. And then boom, I found Cato. And then boom, I found you. And then boom, I found Nasu. Nasu got that word too. Boy, I tell you, he pops that word out. All the music's got that in it. I mean, it's just crazy. This is some of the reason I can't share with my friends. They don't know. I can look over some of that. I can be that guy. I've been through that. But my time's up. But it's like we're learning, we're earning, and we're trying to stay in the game so we can share the love when it happens. I hate that my friends. I don't know. It's crazy, but I love y'all and I have found y'all and I'm supporting. I'm just doing y'all. I'm doing Billy and y'all. And it's crazy. I'm driving slow and I'm going to be 62 tomorrow and live through another day, I hope. And nobody's going to know how to get nothing to mine if I die. And it's crazy. It'll just be in long line. They'll burn the shit. Golly, they're going to burn it if can't nobody get it. Isn't that stupid?
That's crazy, Billy. And happy 62nd birthday. I know we're not there yet. I know you don't even want that yet. So I'm gonna wait because I don't want to age you 1 hour earlier. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna wait until midnight. And everybody make sure, I already know. Let's just go crazy for Billy's birthday, man. Let's do something we ain't never done before for Billy's birthday, because he do stuff he ain't never done for us. You know what I mean? So we love Billy and we appreciate you, big bro.
Awesome. Thank you, brother.
Absolutely. Next person I'm going to call on is Ron Lee. I actually, I saw your hand raised, big bro. So I want to make sure that I respect that. If you still have anything, if not, then, we can keep it going. But I just wanted to respect it just in case. What up, Ron Lee?
What up, though?
Yo.
You can hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, brother.
Oh, all right. Nah, one thing I like, man, I like the dates. The dates are starting to line up, bro. The November 1st. I'm not sure if you heard of November 19th with Swift. That being the day that Swift is officially going to the digital side of things, everything. So I definitely like the fact that you're definitely right on point and you're giving us more excitement, man. I definitely appreciate that. I don't get a chance to get on your call much because I'm actually at work in school. So I don't get a chance. I see everybody dropping the messages.
Yeah, I get it.
Today we was a little light. So
10 a.m. is tough, man. 10 a.m. is that's a prime spot. You know what I mean?
Right.
So people that's really on at, a lot of people catch the recording, but the people that's on at 10 a.m., man, I love y'all, man. Because I had to really start to realize that. I had to think about it like, I don't got a job, but I'm like Tommy Strong. You know what I mean? I ain't got no job. Tommy.
Right.
Like, people have jobs. They're in school, and 10 a.m. is a tough time. So for the ones that make it consistently, I want to be real with y'all and say thank you. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
I want to be real and say thank you.
Definitely, man. But definitely keep going, bro. You definitely on point with everything, bro. That's what was my takeaway in life for that. Appreciate it, bro.
No problem. Yeah. And before we because I know that as more and more people, because we got people that I don't rush y'all when it comes to this time. So just share your heart. This is our Q&A time. However, before y'all go, okay, make sure that you know that if you're a part of the Crypto Nerds or you're not a part of the Crypto Nerds, tonight we make sure that you connect with me so I can get you situated and get you inside of our Telegram group. Okay, we are trading with the Crypto Nerds every single, damn near every day. We're getting in the bag. Y'all already know, man. I don't gotta go into that. But for the people that don't know, if you're interested in other streams of income, please tap in. But we do have a call tonight called Billy Talk. Okay, that call tonight is Billy Talk. I believe Billy Talk is at 6:30 Eastern Standard Time. Am I right on that? I believe it's 6:30 Eastern Standard Time. So make sure you all in 3:30 Pacific Standard Time. So make sure you all tap into Billy Talk. Billy Talk, look, I can't even tell you what to expect for Billy Talk. Last week, we saw people just disappearing on screen. People just start disappearing. I ain't never seen nothing like this before. So, and then after the people disappeared, We was on there for like an hour, 2 hours just trading. Like Billy Talk is nuts, y'all. So like, I don't know what to tell you. I was talking to Anointed about it yesterday. And like, honestly, it's one of our favorite calls. It's like the free for all. Like people be like, yo, what's going to happen at Billy Talk today? We just like, hey, just show up. Just click the link, man. Like, just click the link. So if you want the link to Billy Talk, if you're not a part of the Crypto Nerds, shoot me a text. If you're inside my Discord group, make sure you tap in. Just say, hey, you in the Discord, you can put Billy Talk, and I'll make sure that you all, at least this one time, be able to get onto Billy Talk to check out what it is that we do. Because I love y'all just that much. I'm gonna make sure that you're exposed to everything I'm exposed to. Now, to keep it going, I'm gonna call on my brother Yamel. Come on down, brother.
Yo, man.
Yo.
Say, man, I appreciate you, bro, for, you know, taking the time to do all this research, you know, and really breaking it down, you know. What's it called? It's been there's been a few times, you know, because when I've met people at work and people I've known from a while, because I work in healthcare and everybody thought I was going into nursing, you know, and like 2 years down the road when I was supposed to been almost finished with nursing school by now. They say like, oh, like, what are you doing? Like, why are you still a nurse assistant? Why are you still? And I explain like, oh, I changed. I'm a blockchain tech investor and Forex and crypto day trader. And bro, as soon as people hear crypto, I feel like that's the only word to understand out of like when I introduce myself like that. But when I say that and they hear crypto, everybody is always so negative about it. You know, they're like, oh, isn't crypto going down? You know, isn't there like losses going down? Didn't it crash? Didn't it get hacked? Whatever, blah, blah. But I come to realize that everybody says like the same thing, you know, just the typical news you see like on Instagram or whatever, but not the actual deep news, you know? So it just goes to show how people are really, they're not really, they talk before they actually educate themselves, you know? And there's been a few people, you know that Bearable Bull video that are just going off about it, bro. I've shown people that, bro, and people still have the audacity to be like, oh, bro, that's edited, man. Like, come on, that's like, it's like too good to be true. And I'm like, yo, you gotta sit down and do the research, you know. And I just want to say, like, I appreciate you for that, because every time I come on the show, it just gives me more confidence in crypto, you know. I'll already have plenty of it, you know, but every time I come on here, it's like you really you hit on the spot and you make a big impact on all of us, because you make all of us, like, you coat us with that extra shell every time we come in this show, you know. And I just want to say I really appreciate you for that, man. And a question, if for the HBAR class, if we've already bought it, where can we find it again?
So you should have, if you already bought it, you should just have access to it. Like, you should be able to go in your Gumroad back office and just log in, and it's there. It's on Gumroad. So if you bought it before, you just go to Gumroad, go to the back office. The back office has all the books you've ever bought on Gumroad, all the courses you've ever bought on Gumroad, and you can go there and check it out.
Okay. Appreciate you, bro.
No problem. No problem.
God bless you, man.
No problem. And if you all still have issues and you can't figure that out, just reach out to me separately, and I'll be more than happy to assist you and help you through the process. Okay. Monifa, my brother.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hey, man. I want to start out by saying the one thing I like about Coffee and Crypto, when I get on your show, when I get on the calls for the show, bro, I'm always learning something about the financial system or in this sector that no one has ever taken the time out to even like pass my way, like throw some information my way. Like, I got 2 people in my family that work for the IRS, and they're not saying anything about anything. And I got one cousin, like, you know how we talking about the non-believers and not gonna believe it until they happen. As soon as I say crypto, like this is like the person that I feel like one of the people that got my best interest. Like, he will help me to, like, anytime he can, anytime he can lend a hand, he's gonna help me. But if I mention crypto and what's going on right now, he shoot me down like straight, directly. Like, as soon as the word crypto come out my mouth, he like, oh, I ain't trying to hear that. So I just cut it short. And I'm like, bro, every time I come back to Coffee and Crypto, Vincent always has 1, 2, 3, 4 different important pieces of information that just make you whole. It just makes you whole. Like you know what you got, so you're gonna hold it. I can't put it in any other better words. All I know is I gotta keep working and I gotta pack my bag. That's the only thing that's on my mind. I gotta keep practicing trading, get funded, get my crypto. I gotta do this for my family, for my little brothers and sisters. I don't have children yet. I got everybody staying at my house right now, sending them to school. I'm really shifting into my leadership, and I got to take some steps to make some personal changes to it. But it's those are the reasons. Like these are the reasons why I always come back to coffee and crypto, because I'm like, bro, like you said, I'm stepping into my leadership. Like
I want you to get a book, bro. And if you don't get this book, I'll be disappointed. And you can get this book for cheap at thriftbooks.com. All right, and this is a gem for everybody. Thriftbooks.com. Any book you get, just get it from thriftbooks.com. It's one of the best places you can get books from for the low. Okay, now check this out. Check this out. I want you to go get this book by John Maxwell called Leader Shift. Leader Shift.
John Maxwell, Leadership.
John C. Maxwell, Leader Shift.
John Maxwell.
This will change. This is going to change your life. This is going to change your life, bro.
Because I got like everybody be looking at me, like my family looking at me, like, but some of the information that I'm supposed to have, no one before me is even passing it my way. Like I'm really looking at my cousin and his mom like, y'all work for the IRS. How y'all don't know any of this? How y'all ain't passing any of this down through the family? I got to do it. I really got to do it. I'm seeing this right now. I really got to do it. You said this to me like about a year or two ago. I really got to do this.
Yes, you do, bro. You do. And another thing, let's change our mindset. Let's become more mature as a people, as an investor, as a community, because how to win friends and influence people. I dealt with this and I still deal with this, so I'm not coming from a hypocritical space. And now this heart-to-heart talk, y'all. This is why I love this. Hopefully Twitter and YouTube is loving this, because I didn't even cut y'all off. But check this out, y'all. Okay. When it comes to, here go my uncle. My uncle right here. What up, my uncle here. My mom here too. Love you. All right, y'all. So check this out. But check this out, y'all. Let's stop telling people when someone says, I am, and I gotta go because I know they're about to have their business meeting. So I do gotta go in a little bit, y'all. However, I want to share this with y'all. When someone says, hey, they don't believe in crypto, they walk away. What I want y'all to start doing, and including me, all of us, is lift that. If they're pushing you down, lift them up. Lift them up. They need lifting. They need the lifting. They don't need for you to push them down. They're already down. The mindset is already down. A person that cannot believe in this wholeheartedly, but can believe in so many other things in the world, they are mentally abused, and they've been abused for a long time. Understand that us as leaders and as lovers and as people of God, right? As people of God, we must understand that it is our duty to lift these people up and continue to lift them. Don't ridicule them. Don't make them feel like they're less than, because they're not, because you're not less than either. They just don't understand yet. If you continue to lift them, you continue to share, you continue to send them the link, you continue to send them articles, eventually they will get lifted out of that mindset and they'll be at a plateau and at a level that they can be of understanding. I hope that makes sense for y'all. I hope that, I hope y'all can get jiggy with that, but that's how I'm feeling right now. Okay. I'm about to call on Symphony.
Hey, everybody.
Hello. Yo.
I missed this community. I was like not plugged in
Miss you
for a
too.
minute, but then I like did a random search and found you on YouTube again. And then I was like, let me get connected in this Discord. To Mo's point, look, I, as a background, I was a CPA, and those people who work for the IRS and all of that, everybody's indoctrinated, yo. Like I have a master's degree in accounting, and then I had to come outside of that in order to really learn what I needed to know for the financial system. Because all of those institutions are built by others and not for the people, the masses to survive, right? Like, so like Vince said, like just keep lifting them up. And look, during this call, my pest control guy stopped by. And because I was on this call, I said, by the way, do you have any XRP? And he's like, no. So I just try to like share the information, meet people where they are. I've sent out the link a couple of times. I got to make sure that I'm not, bombarding people. I don't want to overwhelm folks, but, I got a couple of different chats going on. So, from time to time, I'll pop that information in there. And the thing about it is, people who are interested will receive that information. Vince always does, a lot of time he does the research on site. So you can see he's actively pulling up the receipts. So, if someone's paying attention, you can't ignore that kind of thing. And look, the other thing I tell people sometimes is like, look, don't say nobody ever told you. Get you some XRP. It's 50 cents. We are in abundance consciousness. So I don't care who I'm talking to. You got $50, you find $100 and go buy you some XRP and start there. And then we could talk. And by the way, this is not for you to actively be looking at the pricing right now. No, you're just going to buy it and you'll hold on and you'll learn. But look, it's where we are, and I appreciate what you do. And thank you. We're doing good work. We're doing good work, y'all.
Hey, you don't know. You never know what you get on this show, y'all. You don't never know. Hey, look, I'm stuck. Look, this is the most unorganized show. Look, and I love it. You know what I mean? Like, hey, look, I wouldn't have it no other way. Go ahead, Kip.
What's up, my brother?
What up, bro?
Yeah, man, I just wanted to, since everybody's speaking, because I haven't stepped up and spoke yet, but yeah, man, I did the 6-week boot camp. I want to say, man, I really appreciate all the things that you, brought out. I got to go back through it. I was working a lot of the times that you did did your classes and stuff. So I'm gonna go back through it. I'm gonna really digest it. But I just wanted to chime in on a couple things, because personally, I believed, I've heard people say things like, oh man, crypto is done, man, and I've seen different things, and I actually, I have a little bit of crypto experience. I mean, back when like the Dogecoin thing, and the what do they call them, the meme coins and all that, so I kind of, but a little bit after that, I heard that, damn, crypto is out of here, you know what I'm saying? So, but then we ran into each other, you know what I'm saying? We ran into each other
and before you even go any further, bro, how long we known each other, bro?
I was just getting to that, and it's crazy, bro. I've known you since what, 7th grade?
Or like
middle school.
No, actually, Smoke Rise Elementary, bro.
Right, bro. It goes even before, yeah, because Mr.
grade.
Jennings.
5th grade, Mr.
Yeah, Mr. Jennings. Yep.
Jennings, yeah.
Yep. That was the first time. I think that was the first time we was in band together. Yeah, and then yep, that's right, man. That's crazy. So yeah, I haven't, like, it was a big gap. Because we maybe hadn't seen each other since 7th, maybe 8th grade, I would say. And then ran into each other 15 years later, ran into each other at Muchacho, and then chopped it up. And then, you know what? I didn't actually engage immediately because I saw what you was doing, and I was like, you know what? I was like, because I still had that crypto thing in my mind, like, man, crypto done. I don't know, man. And then so I kept watching you. And I said, you know what? He got this you came up with a 6-week program. I said, you know what? Let me just take a chance. Let me see what bro is talking about. Cause I know like you have a platform now. You know what I'm saying? You're doing your thing. So man, I'm glad I did. And now I no longer believe the hype. You got me out of that mindset, bro. So I want to say I appreciate it, man, for sure.
Wow. Yo, that was powerful. I got to go back. I'm going to go back and grab that one off YouTube. I got to go drop that one. I got to drop that one on my IG. That was crazy. That's a real moment right there. That's a real moment right there, y'all. Y'all don't even understand. I've known me and Kipper, first off, that's his name, but me and Kip, we used to be in band together, battling for who was going to be first chair on the snare drum. And my boy Kip was nasty. I ain't gonna lie. I was talented too. We both was nasty, but Kip, he was a different type of beast. And like, you know, like, and for us to be able to just come back together, bro, and be able to, it's just incredible, bro. And like you honestly was like one of my best friends, bro. Like, you know, in like elementary, middle school, man, like we was in band together. We grew up together, bro. Like, you know what I mean? And I'm grateful for you, bro. You know what I mean? So I'm happy that you're here, bro. And you already know anything you need, I got your back. Craw Billy, come on up, man. And then we're going to hop off of here because I know we about 30 minutes over, but hey, we ain't even lost nobody. People still here. Like, it's crazy. People loving this. So let's keep it going.
I hope Noit and Cato's still on here because I thought of something when Cynthia talked. And yeah, y'all were talking. I got a new slogan. You can't lead them to XRP. No, let's see. You can lead them to the nerds, but you can't make them think. How about that? That's good. You can lead them to the nerds, but you can't make them think. That's good. Hey, look, this is my thing. Riley put me on a different level, brother. I'm going to tell you what. We're invested in something, and I'm going to a meeting in Jackson, Mississippi on Saturday at 2:00. And you know where it is? You know where it's at? Nobody knows where it's at. I don't know where it's at. They won't tell me. They're going to send me a code 2 hours before the meeting and tell me where it is in Jackson. What? They're gonna. I'm serious. It's something. Riley and Billy, you have to be on Billy Talk tonight, okay? And you get some information about it. And it's a meeting that I'm invested in that Riley is helping coach the nerds on its progress. But my wife says, "Hey man, that's sketchy." I'm thinking, you know, if I don't come back, I can't tell you. You had to ping my phone to find me because I don't even know where I'm going until 2 hours before I'm going. You know, it's like I had to open the restaurant late because I got a meeting. Where's it at? I don't know. I don't know till Saturday at 12, and then I know where I'm going because it's a crypto type. You know, it's crypto. Why is it a secret? I mean, it's crazy, Vince. But that's it. I just wanted to share that, man. That Riley dude. I'm gonna tell you what, Riley dude, brother. I had to take my blood pressure medicine when I talked to Riley. Because Riley puts you on that, man. I tell you, you just have to hold on to yourself. And, you know, on Billy Talk, you have to hold on. We'd be on there 5 hours talking about good stuff. It ain't no play. It's like you're learning how to grow up in crypto. I'm excited, man. So I'm sorry, but, you know, I had to share that. You can't lead them to the nerds. You can't lead them to crypto. You can lead them to the nerds, but you can't make them think. That's it. Something like that. I'm going to work on that. Hey, look, and I have a song. I've written a song. It's not rap song, but it's a blockchain song. You're going to like it. It's going to be weird. I'm just telling you right now. Y'all have a great day. I love y'all.
Yo, it's a movie. Like, it's literally a movie. Like, I don't even know what else to do. Like, I don't even want to go nowhere. Like, I could be here all day with y'all. Like, I could literally be, go ahead. Look, I ain't got nothing else to go ahead, Mo. Go ahead, Mo.
I ain't even trying to do too much right now, man. You dropped enough bombs on us today and every other episode that you had before. I just want to say I love you. Nerds, I love y'all. We're here. Like Ron Lee say, what a time to be alive. Let's go. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all have a blessed day.
Hey, how about boy just yell and then went back to, y'all stay tuned. Have a good day. He said, let's go. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all have a good day. That was crazy. That was crazy. That was crazy. That's the energy we need. Yo, shout out to everybody, man. Today's energy was like none other. We ain't never had a show like this. Like this was up and up right here, y'all. So look, y'all got me excited. I'm about to go become a billionaire today. Y'all have an amazing day. Billy Talk tonight. Make sure you're on Billy Talk. Do not miss Billy Talk. Make sure you're on Billy Talk. And then make sure also that you're on Billy Talk because we're going to bring in Billy's birthday. You know what I mean? So we're going to be on Billy Talk. And we're gonna talk to Billy about his birthday. So it's gonna be an absolute movie tonight. Also, official announcement coming soon, but the Coffee and Crypto podcast is officially on the Crypto Nerd Network. So the Coffee and Crypto podcast is now a show on Crypto Nerds Network. So we are officially partnered with the nerds. You all will see a lot of updates coming very soon. Be ready. If you want the Billy Talk link, tap in with me directly. You can shoot me a text, Zatrick, or in the Discord group. And I'm gonna talk to Anointed. Literally after this call, we're about to have a meeting. Make sure that I can invite you all, which I'm sure I can. And anybody that wants to be on Billy Talk tonight, make sure you got your butt on the call. All right. So with that being said, thank you so much for being the best part of the show. This was Coffee and Crypto episode number 145. And as we get ready to move to 146 next Tuesday, just know I love y'all. And look, we could wake up at any moment and be quadrillionaires. Keep on dreaming, keep believing, and I'll see y'all at the top, not just from the top. Let's get this money.